Let's take a look at how to configure ShipWorks to automatically process a shipping label with a barcode scan. To configure ShipWorks to automatically print labels with a barcode scan, we'll begin by clicking on the Manage tab. Then, click on Settings and select Keyboard and Barcode shortcuts. This video assumes we've already connected a barcode scanner. Check the box for automatically print labels on barcode scan and click OK. Now, in ShipWorks, you can scan a barcode and ShipWorks will automatically load the order and process the shipping label. Learn more at support.shipworks.com or at youtube.com/shipworks.